How to cook easy Pancit Bam-I. First thing I did was I boiled this chicken for 30 to 45 minutes. And when it's done, I set aside the broth and I started shredding the meat. Next, heat oil in a pan and then saute garlic and onion. Next, add the shredded chicken meat. Next, add 4 cups of chicken broth. And then add 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Give it a little stir, cover, and let it boil. Next, we add the vegetables, the cabbage and carrots. Cover it again and cook for a few minutes. Now, it's time to add the soaked Sotanghon. And the egg noodles or the Pancit Canton. And then, we mix it well. Just add more broth if needed. And then we season with salt and some ground pepper. And we're done. Thank you for watching.